Hey everyone, I wanted to give a quick review on this Breville espresso machine, coffee and espresso machine. It's pretty unbelievable. I actually was staying in an Airbnb and used it and went home and immediately got one. I mean, this thing's so simple. You fill the water in the back where I just showed you right there. It has this front release, which will open up automatically, where you'd put your pod with the touch of a button right here on top. You can close it back up. But this thing was tremendous. It makes the most fantastic coffee espresso, 5 stars all day.